This little circuit actually imitates the sound of raindrops, and it's based on the NE555 chip, which is this chip. And it's a very simple circuit, and I thought that if I buy 20, I can make a sort of rain kind of noise machine. I got 20, and I'm gonna wire them up and then put them in a box and then see what happens. It comes in this little bag, and you got everything you need. You got the battery clip. Maybe these are instructions, who knows? But yeah. And then most important is you got the circuit board. And as you can see, everything is labeled. You got your resistors, and you only have 2, so easy. And it doesn't matter which way you put them. Then you got your chip, pop it in the hole, pop it in, pop it in the hole. Capacitors, these are important. There's a plus and there's a minus. This band is the minus, this is the plus. Potentiometer, which I might change for ones with knobs, and that just goes here. Pretty simple. Pop it in the hole, and that is all your components. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. After that, you're gonna have your speaker and your power. Solder them in place. If everything went right, you should be left with this. Turns on as soon as you put the batteries in. So I got all the speakers mounted. I could make this box pretty, but I'm too impatient. I want to really know what it sounds like. I gotta put all the batteries in here, and then we'll see what it sounds like. So they should all be working, and the potentiometers are programmed at different speeds, and I can change them, and then we can see what happens if I do that. Let's say I go full speed for all of them. So there is a difference, and now that they're all at the same speed, there's almost kind of like this rhythm. And then if I go Then it's almost like the rain is stopping. Few things I want to change. I want to add some switches because now it's always on unless you take out the batteries. I can put an audio file on my Patreon for those who are on that. You can download, and I'll also be putting the circuit for those who are interested